I'm Valter Longo. I'm a group leader of the Longevity and Cancer group here at the IFOM in Milan. My laboratory is mostly interested in aging and also how understanding the mechanisms of aging affect DNA damage and, as a consequence, cancer. Yes, of course, aging is the major risk factor for cancer, and so we're very interested in applying the understanding of the connection between nutrients and cellular protection in both the prevention and treatment of cancer. Well, we are already applying a lot of it in the sense that we are doing a number of clinical trials where, for example, we apply these extreme diets, for example, starvation and fasting, what we call fasting mimicking diets, and patients will switch from their regular diet to these diets while they're on chemotherapy, and we are hoping to see in people what we see in mice, which is the protection of the patient and sensitization of the cancer to a variety of chemotherapy drugs. We are working actually on multiple models, and the simplest one is actually the yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae, in which we're trying to understand the fundamental connection between nutrients and cellular protection and also DNA damage. Then we have mammalian cellular models in which we are doing the same essentially, and then mice as a final proof of principle in model organisms, and then we put all this together and decide whether it is time to do a clinical trial, and for that we're collaborating with a number of clinical groups. The focus here, of course, will be cancer, but also I think that the idea is to generally expand the range on aging research here at the IFOM Institute, and also potentially attract a group of experts on both aging and cancer, so that we can look at cancer also from the prevention point of view, but again, we utilize the understanding of this of our dietary interventions to improve cancer treatment. Yes, we are very interested in regeneration and stem cell based therapies, and again, the cancer treatment is one of our focuses, but also the rejuvenation of systems, including the immune system, to act as a sentinel against cancer development. I think the future is our improved ability to understand rejuvenation, so regeneration to lead to rejuvenation, in a way that is resembling the developmental programs. And so we're very excited about doing that and trying to replicate the developmental program to take an old organ, an old, let's say, immune system, and rejuvenate it so that it's more powerful as it was in a young person against cancer, particularly in the elderly.